Essential for gamers, gaming motherboards provide optimized performance, high-speed connectivity, advanced cooling, and support for overclocking in high-end components. My today's video is about top 5 best gaming motherboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Asus ROG Gaming Motherboard. The Asus ROG Strix Gaming Motherboard is engineered for advanced AI computing and high-performance gaming, delivering the power, connectivity, and thermal efficiency demanded by modern workloads. Designed with the AMD AM5 socket, it supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, ensuring compatibility with the latest multi-core CPUs. Intelligent Asus exclusive features like AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, AI networking, and AEMP simplify setup while optimizing performance for gaming, AI tasks, and content creation. The board's robust 18+2+2 power design, featuring dual ProCool 2 connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, provides stable power for intensive multi-core operations. Its optimized thermal architecture combines massive heat sinks, integrated I/O covers, high-conductivity thermal pads, and an L-shaped heat pipe to maintain peak performance under heavy load. Storage expansion is unmatched, with 3 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots and 2 PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, all equipped with substantial cooling solutions. Overall, this motherboard delivers a perfect balance of power, reliability, and next-generation AI readiness, making it ideal for gamers and professional creators alike. Now our second product is Gigabyte Gaming Motherboard. The AMD Socket AM4 motherboard is designed to deliver high performance and reliability for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. Its enhanced power solution, featuring a digital twin 10+ 3-phase VRM with premium chokes and capacitors, ensures steady and efficient power delivery, making it ideal for multi-core CPUs and intensive workloads. The motherboard's advanced thermal armor includes enlarged VRM heatsinks paired with 5W/MK thermal pads and a pre-installed I/O shield, providing efficient heat dissipation while simplifying DIY assembly. Memory performance is optimized with support for DDR4 RAM across 4 DIMM slots, fully compatible with AMD Expo memory modules, allowing faster and more stable multitasking. Comprehensive connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, 2 M.2 slots, 1 GB LAN, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, covering all modern peripherals and high-speed storage needs. Overall, this motherboard combines power, cooling, memory optimization, and versatile connectivity, making it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking a balanced and reliable AMD platform. Our third product is Asus Gaming Motherboard. The high-performance motherboard featuring a 20+2+1 power phase design is built to deliver stable and efficient power for modern multi-core CPUs, ensuring consistent performance during demanding gaming and professional workloads. It includes 5 premium M.2 sockets, providing extensive storage expansion options for NVMe SSDs, ideal for high-speed data access, content creation, and gaming libraries. The easy release design simplifies installation and upgrades, allowing users to effortlessly swap components without tools, enhancing convenience and reducing setup time. Dual USB 4 Type-C ports enable ultra-fast data transfer and versatile connectivity, supporting high-speed peripherals and external storage devices. Complementing this, the toolless multi-layer M.2 heatsink ensures optimal thermal management, dissipating heat efficiently to maintain SSD performance during heavy workloads and prolonged use. With a focus on power, speed, cooling, and user-friendly design, this motherboard offers a comprehensive solution for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who demand reliability, expandability, and cutting-edge performance in their PC build. Now number 4, MSI Gaming Motherboard. The LGA 1700 motherboard is engineered to support Intel Core Next Gen, 13th Gen, 12th Gen Pentium Gold, and Celeron processors, providing a versatile platform for both high-performance builds and mainstream systems. With dual-channel DDR5 memory support up to 7800 plus MHz (OC), it delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness for gaming, content creation, and multitasking applications. Its enhanced 16+1+1 DRPS power design, featuring 80A SPS, dual 8-pin CPU power connectors, core boost, and memory boost technologies, ensures stable and efficient power delivery for multi-core CPUs under heavy workloads. The motherboard's premium thermal solution includes an extended heatsink, MOSFET thermal pads rated at 7W/MK, additional choke thermal pads, and M.2 shield frozzer, keeping temperatures under control and maximizing system reliability. Designed for high-performance computing, this motherboard balances power, speed, and thermal efficiency, making it ideal for gamers, professionals, and enthusiasts who demand a robust, future-ready Intel platform capable of handling next-generation processors and DDR5 memory at peak performance. And our last choice is Asus TUF Gaming Motherboard. The Intel LGA 1700 TUF gaming motherboard is built for next-generation performance, supporting 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors, PCIe 5.0, DDR5 memory, and offering out-of-the-box Windows 11 compatibility. Its enhanced power solution, featuring 16+1 DRMOS, ProCool sockets, military-grade TUF components, and DG plus VRM, ensures stable, efficient power delivery for multi-core CPUs, enabling overclocking and sustained high-performance workloads. Comprehensive cooling is provided by a combination of VRM heatsinks, a fanless PCH heatsink, M.2 heatsinks, hybrid fan headers, and Fan Expert 4 utility, keeping components at optimal temperatures even during intensive gaming or content creation. Connectivity and networking are optimized for speed with Wi-Fi 6AX201, Intel i225V 2.5 Gigabits LAN, TUF LAN Guard, and Turbo LAN, delivering ultra-fast, stable connections. Storage and peripheral expansion are robust, featuring 4 M.2/NVMe SSD slots, front panel USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB Gen 2x2 Type-C, and Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, headers. Combining durability, speed, and cutting-edge features, this motherboard is ideal for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts seeking a future-proof Intel platform. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.